Hey crafters, it's Shay, and to kick off Craftmas this year in 2022, we're gonna start off with a giveaway. I'm really excited because this is the biggest giveaway I've done yet. I put together a bunch of my favorites, some fun little crafty goodies, all together in a box, so I'll put an overlay on the screen here. So the giveaway ends December 1st, and that's when I'm going to do the draw. I'm going to let you know who wins, and that's the kickoff to Craftmas, which is where we're posting a video and we're crafting together every single day in the month of December. It's not all Christmas related. You're welcome to join in Craft Sunday. You're welcome to watch it and join the lives because we're going to be doing some lives in there, which is going to be fun. So I just can't wait to craft with all of you. It's going to be so much fun. Now let's talk how to enter this giveaway. The first step is make sure you are subscribed down below. I love how our community has been growing with so many amazing crafters joining, and the great part with that is we get more ideas. We get more crafty ideas, we get more crafty tips from all of you, so it's so much fun. I love that this year I've been able to really connect with a lot of you, get to know you on a personal level, and you've been able to get to know me on a personal level. I've made some incredible friends with you, so I just really appreciate all of you being here, and I wanted to give back at the end of the year this year as much as I can. So that's what we're kicking off with, a giveaway for Craftmas 2022, and I'm really excited to be able to do this. The next step is making sure that like button is hit. What that does is it tells YouTube to push out the video to more crafters so that more people can find the content, join our community, and craft along with us. So it just adds more crafty ideas and tips and people into the mix, and that's always fun because that's how we met all of you. Once you've done those two things, comment down below, let me know your favorite craft. Doesn't have to be Cricut related. Maybe it's a craft project you've made previously that you really liked, or something you're really excited to make next. Let me know in the comments down below, and that comment will enter you into the giveaway. Now I am doing a second giveaway over on my Instagram. It's a little bit of a smaller scale giveaway, but if you want to enter that and get some more free crafty goodies, I have some sublimation blanks in there, tons of fun things that I'm including in that one as well. That's going to be over on my Instagram, so I'll leave the link down below if you wanted to check it out. That ups your chances of winning something because then you're entering two separate giveaways. Totally free to enter. You decide if that's something you want to do, but I wanted to let you know that that's going over on Instagram as well, so just head on over to that post that says giveaway and you'll get all the details there. So let's kick off Craftmas a few days early at the end of November with this fun little giveaway, and I'm actually planning a really big giveaway once I hit my next milestone. I'm really excited. Our community is almost at 15,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is crazy. We're almost at 100,000 on TikTok, which is absolutely insane. 100,000, I can't even wrap my head around that. That being said, I would absolutely love it if we could get to 15,000 crafty members of our community this year. So that would be a really cool end of the year. We have what, like 1,700 to go, so we'll see how that goes, but that's my goal for the end of the year, and I have a huge giveaway planned, and I'm really excited for that one. So go ahead, the giveaway is officially open. Ow. Enter the giveaway down below. Yes, I was spray painting today. That project's coming soon, but I made a mess, and I was wearing gloves, okay? I don't know how. I picked it up and didn't think about it. It's me. Y'all know I'm just clumsy mess. Okay. Alrighty, don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye!